If you've ever sat there staring at the ceiling thinking, okay, but what do I do to manifest what I want? How do I make it happen? How do I know if I should take action or not? And I'm sure at some point these thoughts would have crossed your mind. But you don't get that you're asking the wrong question because you're already taking action. You just don't realize it. And here's what I mean with an analogy that you might like. So imagine a little fish swimming around looking for water, right? If it's swimming left, right, up, down, searching. But the whole time it's already in the water. It just does not realize it. That's exactly what you're doing when you keep asking, what action should I take? What is the right move? And you're stuck in that loop because you're already moving. Every time you think about your desire, look at your phone, walk into a room, say a word, move to the right, move to the left, that is action. But when you don't see it, when you keep searching, that's when you feel stuck. That's when you feel like, am I taking action or not? So let's look further how this works, right? Imagine two people both want, a gadget. The person A is in a state of, well, I don't have it. So they keep looking around, checking to see if it's coming. They feel nervous, like they have to do something to make it happen. They don't see that they're already moving towards the gadget, the phone that they want, for instance. And person B is in a state of, well, nothing is missing. It's a part of my life. And they just go about their day, knowing that nothing is missing in their life. Maybe they even forget about their desire for a while. They naturally walk into the room and there it is, their new gadget, or somebody gives them. So both of them are taking action, but one is searching and the other is just living. That's the difference. One is looking for, oh, how do I get it? The other one is like just going about their day and then somebody mentions something, maybe a discount, or they just hand them the gadget. It's not what action you're doing, it's where your action is coming from. You don't have to figure out what to do exactly. Think about this morning. Did you plan to wake up? Did you sit there for the most part in the mornings and think, should I open my eyes? What is the right move? No, you just woke up. You just got out of your bed, or you just sat on your bed. You didn't need a 5-step strategy. You didn't need a big sign telling you what to do. It just happened because that's what happens when you wake up, right? This is exactly how manifestation works. Action comes from the state that you're in. Doesn't matter what action you're taking, the state determines your action. So how do you know if it's the right action? Just pause and ask yourself, well, would this feel normal if you already had your desire? If the answer is no, then don't force it. And if you're asking, well, is this the right action? That means you're not really in the desire, right? You're not really in your state. But if the action feels natural, you're already in motion. You're not thinking, oh, this is a natural action, right? You don't have to try so hard. You don't have to check so hard. It's already happening. A fish doesn't need to look for water. It's already swimming in it. You don't need to figure out what action to take because you're already taking it. You're already moving. And your desire is already unfolding. All you have to do is see that this is already the case so that you don't get in your own way. So how this could even play out for you today is just right now, think about whatever you want. Notice if you feel any resistance to it, any pushback. And if you do, just pause. Don't fix it. Just notice it. And then ask any of the guided pause questions like, are you aware of this moment? Are you aware of being aware? Notice that you're the one noticing your thoughts. And in that noticing, you realize you were never stuck. You were never waiting. You were already moving. You were not your thoughts telling you that something was missing. You realize that there was nothing to fix, nothing missing, nothing to change. And then now you can go enjoy your day. It can be as simple as that. And each time you face resistance, you can come back to yourself using any of the guided pause questions. And once again, if you feel like questioning, am I taking the right action or not? Well, that's in a state of doubt. And then that means we're not really resting in who we truly are. So once again, use the pauses to come back to yourself. And if you feel like a story, a pattern keeps getting in your way, then I'm here to help. We can inquire into that somatically in a session. So there is direct and deep knowing in your bones versus just more knowledge that you've gathered over long periods of time. So you can find the details in the link below. Or you want some experiential quick responses and not a full-blown session, then I have my audio coaching where you send an email with your question and I respond in a voice note so that it feels like a session, but it's very quick responses. So I will see you in the comments and I would love to read your insights.